Hello everyone, and I am Slesha Gupta, and you are most welcome to my channel. And let's talk about VS Code extensions today. So, in today's video, I'll be telling you top 5 VS Code extensions which you can use and which can just help you to work better with your code, and it is especially for web developers. That top 5 VS Code extensions for web developers. So that's the reason why I have opened the HTML and CSS file so that I can show you a live demo of how can you use these extensions as well. So I have already installed it. So I'll be quickly telling the names of the extensions and you can install it. I'll be providing you with the names in the description box so you can check it out over there. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here I have a bunch of extensions. I'll be pointing out to the most important or the best ones. So the first one I would be recommending is Live Server. So what this does is usually what we do is from here we run our code like this. But what you can do is using Live Server, you can just right click and you can click on Open with Live Server. So what will happen is that you using live server, whenever you will run your code, you need not refresh it again and again. It will be refreshed or it will be updated directly. You do not need to do anything. As soon as you save your code, it will be updated by itself. Okay, the second one is Prettier. This help you to format your code so that it might look more cleaner, and you can make your code more readable. And then let's come to the third one, that is Code Runner. It is not specifically for HTML, CSS or JavaScript or for web development. It is for all the languages. It helps you to run the code in that languages. So for example, you are coding in Python or maybe C++ in VS Code. So it helps you to run that code in this code editor. So that's the third one. It's a bonus one. And now let's go to this CSS Peak. What this helps you to do is whenever you go to the CSS code, see this code has been formatted for me over here. So let's just leave it for now. So whenever you will hover over the ID or the class name, it will show you its location in HTML, where it is in HTML. This extension CSS Peak. Over here, if I'll hover over it, it will tell me where is it in HTML and all. Okay, so that was the, I think, third one. Okay, so now let's go to the next, that is color highlight. This extension, whenever you use color, whenever you specify any color in its CSS, it will highlight it. Like here I have used the color code, so over here it's highlighting it. You can see that in red it has highlighted the text with red, in white it helps you to highlight the color so that you can recognize it faster, that which color did you use. And the last but not the least, this one is better comments. So we all know the importance of comments while writing code. Because when we write code, it helps us a lot to recognize and make our code readable, so that if anybody else also read our code, they can understand that what we have written. So over here it does the same, and you can use it to specify that you can make your code, your comments also colorful using this extension. So I hope that that you might have found some important extensions which you were not using before, and you can use it now, and you can make your life much more easier. If you have any doubts regarding this, or if you have any queries, or if you have any suggestions, just feel free to tell in the comment section. And thanks a lot for watching, and that's all for today.